Okay, what we have here is the RV03, and what you're seeing is a pre-production model, but it's almost final. It's probably just one step away from production. This case is expected to be out in March or April timeframe. Okay, and as you can see from here on the top panel, top cover, we've have toned down the styling quite a bit since the Computex prototype, but all the internal layout is very similar. We've done lots of fine-tuning and thermal testing since last June. So all the ventilation holes and all the nice little details are now all set. So this will make one of the most flexible, one of the best cooling cases on the air that you will be able to get. While it won't surpass, it does come very close, and in some cases probably the same performance that you'll get. But what this case offers over the previous generation is the ability to mount additional cooling fans. Whereas the previous cases, we gave you all the cooling fans that you need and no more. But with this case, we're giving you options. So in addition to the two 180 millimeter air penetrator fan that's included and the 120 millimeter exhaust fan on top, you can install an additional six more 120 millimeter fans all around the case. So there's one more in the back, close to where the last graphic card slot is. Another one on the back, behind the motherboard tray. That's where all the hard drives are located. So this part of the chassis hasn't changed much, but now we've giving you the ability to mount a 120 millimeter fan in the back, just in case you have some very, very hot running hard drives that you'd like to keep very cool. Okay, on the front panel, is similar design to the one we show in Computex. It's still dual-purpose front bezel. On the production version, these vents will be filtered. So you can remove these very easily to reveal the front panel fan bracket for 120 millimeter fans. So you'll be able to mount 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total of 4 fans on the front panel with this case. So it's it can be very powerful for cooling, and if you need it for quietness, of course, these bezel, you can cover them up to block all the noises from leaking out of the case. Okay, some other user-friendly touches that we've added since the first prototype include the fan speed switches that are now on the top front of the case. So you don't need to remove the top cover to change fan speed. And also the USB ports, of course, now USB 3. And the bottom fan filters are now also magnetic, so they're very easy to remove and put back on. You don't have to, really look down on it to remove them or to put them back in place. So very easy to do. So this is the RV03 from Silverstone.